The power within the box. Hi, hello, and welcome everyone to my channel at Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Without further delay, let's jump right in. A boundary unseen forces push, but they don't break strength, finds its own way. The misunderstood nature of constraints. We often associate constraints with restriction, shackles that hold us back from reaching our fullest potential. The word brings to mind limitations, frustration, and a lack of freedom. Whether it's a tight deadline, a small budget, limited resources, or creative boundaries, our instinct is to push back. But what if constraints aren't cages, but corridors to creativity? When less becomes more. Contrary to popular belief, true innovation doesn't always bloom in boundless space. Sometimes it thrives in tight corners where boundaries demand boldness and focus. When we are boxed in by time, space, money, or materials, we are forced to think smarter, not just bigger. It's the difference between scattered energy and leisure short intention. Real world sparks from tight spaces. Twitter's 140 to 280 character limit. What began as a frustrating constraint turned into a revolution in microcommunication. Concise expression became an art. Multifunctional furniture. Small space living led to innovative creations like sofa cum beds and foldable tables. The constraint of space led to design brilliance. Deadline pressure. When time is scarce, procrastination disappears, focus sharpens, priorities emerge, and productivity thrives. Financial limits. Some of the world's best ideas came not from abundance but from necessity, where budget limits pushed creativity to the surface. Design limitations, your secret weapon. Next time the world overwhelms you with too many choices, don't seek more freedom. Seek focused boundaries. Try it. Set a timer for your next brainstorm. Give yourself a word count cap when writing. Limit your toolset and watch your problem solving instincts light up. Constraints, when embraced consciously, doesn't close doors, they open new ones you may never have imagined. Moral of the story. Constraints don't confine creativity, they carve its path. Sometimes the box you resist is the one that will reveal your greatest ideas. I hope you enjoyed this story. As we wrap up this incredible journey together, remember that the adventure doesn't end here. Keep listening to others' stories at Profound Insights under the Tiny Tales Unfold playlist. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This will encourage me to come up with more stories. Your support means the world to me, and we will continue to explore the depths of knowledge together. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking the profound. Thank you.